With emerging AI technology, is it still good to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Yes, it is worthwhile to learn these fundamental technologies for web development even with the rapid development of AI technologies. Why? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the core technologies for building websites and web applications. Understanding these ensures you can structure HTML, style CSS, and add interactivity JavaScript to web pages. These skills form the backbone of all web development. AI tools like code generators, e.g., GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT, can assist in writing and debugging code, but they rely on users knowing the fundamentals. Without a strong understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it's hard to effectively use these tools or identify and fix errors they might produce. Web development continues to be in high demand, and knowing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript opens up opportunities in web design, front-end development, and even full-stack roles. AI might automate some tasks, but it won't eliminate the need for skilled developers who understand the nuances of these languages. AI can generate templates or designs, but it often lacks the creativity or context-specific customization that humans provide. Learning these languages allows you to bring unique ideas to life or tailor AI-generated content to your specific needs. Knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is essential if you want to learn advanced technologies like React, Angular, or Vue.js, or back-end development tools like Node.js. These skills also make it easier to understand how AI integrates into modern web applications. Even as AI evolves, the demand for problem-solving, creative thinking, and technical literacy will remain. Learning these core languages ensures you have a versatile and adaptable skill set that can evolve alongside technology. AI is a tool, not a replacement for skills. By learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you equip yourself with a strong foundation in web development, which AI tools can enhance but never completely replace. But learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can be a valuable step toward earning good money and building wealth, especially in the context of the digital economy. How? Web development skills are consistently in demand across industries. By mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you position yourself for high-paying roles such as front-end developer, build user interfaces, and ensure excellent user experiences. Full-stack developer, combine front-end and back-end skills for broader opportunities. Freelance web developer, charge competitive rates for custom web projects. Entry-level web developers often start with salaries ranging from $40,000 to $70,000 annually, while experienced professionals or freelancers can earn six figures. With these skills, you can freelance and take on projects at your own pace. Freelancing allows you to set your own rates, often $25 to $100 plus per hour. Work with clients globally, expanding your earning potential. Take on multiple projects, creating multiple income streams. Freelancing is especially effective if you pair web development with related skills like SEO, graphic design, or digital marketing. Knowing how to code empowers you to launch your own online business or side hustle, such as creating websites for clients. Many small businesses, influencers, and startups need websites but lack the skills to build them. Building niche websites, create niche-specific platforms, e.g., blogs, e-commerce stores, or membership sites, that generate passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products. Developing web apps or tools, build web applications that solve problems, which can be monetized or sold to businesses. By cutting out the cost of hiring developers, you save money while retaining control over your projects. Once you've built a strong foundation, you can use these skills to create scalable projects that generate passive income, such as online courses or tutorials, teach others how to code and earn income through course sales or YouTube ad revenue. Website templates or themes, sell pre-designed website templates to other developers or businesses. Plugins or tools, create and monetize useful tools for platforms like WordPress. These assets can continue earning money while you focus on other ventures. AI tools can dramatically speed up web development, making it easier to complete projects faster. This means you can take on more work or invest your extra time into building additional income streams. For example, use AI tools to prototype websites or debug code quickly. Automate repetitive tasks like testing or optimizing websites. Integrate AI into your web projects to offer advanced features, e.g., chatbots, personalized recommendations. The combination of coding expertise and AI knowledge can set you apart in the market, enabling you to charge premium rates. Once you start earning consistently from your web development skills, you can invest your income wisely to build long-term wealth. Use earnings to invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets that appreciate over time. Diversify your income streams by funding other businesses or projects. Save and reinvest a portion of your income into improving your skills or scaling your ventures. Learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is not just about technical skills, it's about leveraging those skills to unlock financial opportunities. Whether you aim to land a high-paying job, create a thriving freelance career, or build scalable passive income sources, web development offers a clear path to earning good money and achieving financial freedom. Paired with discipline, creativity, and smart financial decisions, it can be a powerful step toward wealth building in the modern world. If you're looking for a way to unlock high-paying job opportunities, start a profitable freelance career, or even build scalable income streams, learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is a smart investment in your future. These skills are the foundation of web development, a field that continues to thrive in the digital age. With the help of modern AI tools, you can learn faster, create more efficiently, and take on projects that can lead to financial freedom. Start today, it's a step toward earning good money and creating a wealth-building skill set that will always be in demand. Watch my next video where I'm going to have a look at a scope and timeline of learning these languages.